Latino cruise ship owner. We see this huge war in Iran now. It is really limiting the supply of Filipino and Indian crew. Yeah, well, our policy was wrong. Well, perhaps. We all have to adapt and adapt very fast. There are 40,000 officers in America and 14 are from Panama. Some countries like Holland has accepted these Panama officers' endorsements. It is the only country that is working for the ship owners of their own country, because the others like Cyprus, they don't accept Panama nor Malta, and that is a huge problem. And the same thing with the Italian flag, they don't accept, say, Panama, and only Cuba, you see. But anyway, same thing with Spain, you know, it's like they take Ghana, which has 5 officers, and they don't take Panama, which has 14,000. You know, this is crazy. But whichever the way is now, if we cannot get these Asians to Europe, or if you pay 5 times more for the tickets, then if you're thinking about the solution, contact Candina, because we can have a huge pool of catering personnel from Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, Panama, Venezuela, even Cuba, and many other countries. Why not? Why? Because you see, let me explain. America is closer to Europe, you see, than Asia. That's why we found America first, because it was closer, yeah, of course. Then why not think about the policy of these Latino air officers and ratings and the flag of the ship? Some facts are really prehistorical because they are not adapting. The only one adapted recently is Holland for the Panama officers. What if we need to go for these other flags now? It's very interesting because we can either go with the Maghreb, as I made a video about that, about 500, 1,000 seafarers, or we can go for 2,000 seafarers in the Latino side. Perhaps in the Latino side we need to think about change language, because Español está muy bien, yeah. It is growing Spanish because English is too complicated to speak, and the Spanish really has the heart, and what you say, you're right, you see, it's not different. So that's why Spain will grow. But if this is too complicated for you, dear ship owner, we can really get solutions to all kinds of type of ships. We can have a tanker, have a huge pool in Panama, very huge pool in Panama, but the problem is the flag, you see, and the flags are not changing. Perhaps you can knock the door of these Cyprus, Malta, Madeira, Spanish, Italian, and all these French and these and German and all these different flags, and accept these Latinos. Well, if you are going to do that, that's okay. If not, we always have solutions, because now the ASEAN crew will not be able to join here in Europe, and perhaps you need to think of a different policy, 20%, 25% like a Bitcoin allocation, because this is what intelligent ship owners do. Thank you, bye.